How to pair the HS5 headset to the Wireless PTT. Simply remove the Wireless PTT from its box and packaging and unscrew the top. Pull the battery plastic safety separator from the PTT and screw the top right back on. Next, you'll plug in the PTT cable into your headset. Make sure your radio is off and hook up the radio. Now you can put on your headset and turn on your radio. Find the button on your wired PTT. You're going to pair this to your wireless PTT. You'll pair them by holding down both buttons at the same time until you hear the indication noise. You're all set.